Feel bored when you drop phone? Your brain craves that quick hit. Screens have stolen your true focus. Constant scrolling leaves you feeling empty. Do you feel tired every morning? Your mind needs a total reset. Welcome to the dopamine fasting journey. Let us reclaim your mental strength. This plan lasts 24 hours. Are you ready to start today? First, understand how your brain works. Dopamine is a powerful chemical messenger. It drives your desire for rewards. Modern life exploits this natural system. Apps are designed to keep scrolling. Notifications trigger a small happy spark. Soon, normal life feels very boring. You need more to feel okay. This creates a cycle of exhaustion. Let us break those digital chains. Step 1 is preparation for tomorrow. Put your smartphone in a drawer. Tell your friends you are away. Clear your desk of all clutter. Prepare a simple notebook and pen. No internet is allowed during this. No music and no tasty snacks. We are removing all cheap thrills. Tonight, go to bed very early. The fast begins when you wake. The sun rises on your fast. Do not reach for your phone. Sit quietly on your bed today. Listen to the morning birds outside. Your mind will scream for noise. Just breathe through the initial urge. Drink a glass of plain water. Take a very slow morning walk. Notice the trees and the wind. Avoid talking to anyone right now. Embrace the silence of the world. It is okay to feel bored. Boredom is where true creativity starts. Your brain is finally cooling down. Noon arrives with a quiet wait. Eat a simple, very plain meal. Focus only on the food's texture. No videos while you are eating. Just you and your quiet thoughts. Your focus is slowly coming back. Afternoon is the hardest time today. The urge to check mail grows. Resist the temptation to look back. Open your notebook and start writing. Write down your biggest life goals. Deep thoughts begin to surface now. You are seeing life more clearly. The fog in your head clears. Time feels much slower than before. Notice how long a minute feels. You are gaining control of yourself. Digital noise is finally fading away. Sit in a chair and observe. Watch the light change the room. You do not need external sparks. Your internal fire is now burning. Think about who you want to be. Reflect on your habits and choices. Evening brings a sense of peace. The sun sets behind the hills. Your brain receptors are finally resting. Sensitivity to joy is slowly returning. Small things start to feel good. A cool breeze feels like magic. The silence is no longer scary. You have survived the hardest part. Rest your eyes in the dark. No bright blue light tonight, friend. Sleep will be deep and natural. Tomorrow you wake up brand new. The fast is now officially over. How do you feel this morning? Your mind is sharp and ready. Use this focus for great work. Set strict limits on your apps. Do not fall back into traps. Keep your morning for deep thoughts. Only check phones at set times. You are the master of technology. Technology is no longer your master. Life is better when you lead. Real-world joy is worth more. Practice this fast once a month. Keep your mental garden very clean. You have the power to change. This journey was just the beginning. Stay focused and stay very strong. Subscribe for more life-changing tips. Like this video if you learned. Now go live your best life.